are we going?
Turks and Caicos.
What are you gonna do in Turks and Caicos?
Have a hobby at Turks and Caicos.
What are you excited for?
The beach.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. I'd love to take you somewhere you and I have never been. Take my hand, I'll show you a place away from this. The sunrise will hit your eyes. Take a picture in my mind. Don't forget the memory of a foreign land, a place for you and I. Come on, let's go. We'll get away. Just get me out of my house into the sky. We'll take a little trip to paradise. Let's fly. We're soaring high. We're stepping under the door above the world. I'll take you with me anywhere. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Stuck in a dream with my love. Feel the breeze, catch that feeling inside the mason jar, like lightning bolts shining from afar. I guess I'll admit I don't want this to end. Got that chemistry, an oasis of the best energy. Come on, let's go. We'll get away. Just get me out of my house into the sky. We'll take a little trip to paradise. Let's fly. We're soaring high. We're stepping under the door above the world. I'll take you with me anywhere. Come on, let's go. 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 We'll get away. Just get me out of my house into the sky. We'll take a little trip to paradise. Let's fly. We're soaring high. We're stepping under the door above the world. I'll take you with me anywhere. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Hello, I've been waiting for you. Come with your friends and show me something new. Hey, yeah, it's a hell of a time. This world.
What's his name?
My light is on. Blow up your speakers when the bass drop. I feel elated. Everyone should. Let's show this party how we do. Anytime, any day, you know the place. We're never turning down. Wherever you go, put your hands up. Say it loud, say it loud. Let's get together and let the good times roll. Let's get together, everybody, you know. Let's get together. Let's get together. I know this is some kind of ride. Just leave your worries on the other side. Come on, we got all that we need. Gonna make some noise while I am young and free. The sky is open, the stars are up. We got each other, and that's enough. Just feel elated, everyone should. Let's show the world what we can do. Let's get together.
beach girl or a pool girl? And what was your favorite part of the trip?
Riding on jet skis.
Yeah. Cool. What did you like about Turks and Caicos?
Beach. I'm going home to St. Louis.